Hey, and lastly, right? Don't pull me over next time. Okay? Right? I'm gonna drive straight home. Okay, so it's either one of the two. Y'all gonna have to block me and stuff and make something way worse than it's supposed to be, or use the electronic devices and stop my car from moving forward. Cause I'm next time I'm gonna say like I was scared and stuff, man, and the only place I feel comforted is my studio. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna just drive straight home and stuff, man. You know. So yeah, please don't stop me.